Such a beautiful day to be out and about. It's Sunday, August 14th. Today we're going to bale hay out here. This isn't our property, this is someone else's, but we get the hay off of it. They're raking it, but it still smells really good out here if you've ever been around it. So hopefully I can get some video shots today of baling. It's got to get baled up when it's ready. I think they're talking rain tomorrow, so we want to make sure we get it done. But isn't that pretty? That's a pretty sight to me. While I'm waiting for hubby to get the tractor, I sneaked away to this little area here. It's not far from where his folks live and where we're baling today, and I thought we'll just sit here and view the water, and it's just nice and peaceful here. Got a lot of trees. We don't come here very often. It's just a small little water area. It's called Nishna. Don't see no geese today. Normally there's a lot of geese around. Probably out foraging somewhere. There's a little log cabin up there. But camping area here too. And there's also trails back in there you can walk, but boy, I don't know, you could get full of skeeters. It's peaceful. I'm going to drive back here. This is where the camping area is. It's actually a nice little place. This is right by the river. We haven't camped here. Looks like everybody's pretty much cleared out already for the day. It's pretty private. Got a lot of trees around. And down there is where you can go by the river. It's alright. They got a little bathhouse there. And I believe, oh, I need to put my seatbelt on. If you go down there, we've walked these trails, but boy, it's pretty buggy. You definitely have to have your skeeter stuff on. There are a lot of trails over there. So it's alright. Looks like a nice little campground. Well, better get back. I want to show you guys some baling. Steve baling today. Just thought it'd be something different on video. So, alright. See you in a bit. Just overlooking the little bit of Nishna here, recreational area. There's an eagle right down. Let's see if I can zoom her in. See how well this works. There's an eagle right there. It's a one that's held in captivity because of being injured. Actually, looks like there's a couple in there. You see them? Pretty cool. Wildlife area. We've never actually been there. So, cool. Alright, I see he's up the road there, so we'll catch up. And we actually farmed some ground right there. And we got a few acres around here. So we'll head up there and we'll get baling some hay, and I'll show you how it works. Some of you probably have seen it, but it's just kind of fun to share. You know, the different things that we do here in Iowa. This little piece of pasture right here is ours. We got some cows on there. So right there, got some trees back in there. It's kind of a nice little piece. Here we go. baled correctly. This will be the first bale coming out.
You make a very nice bale.
Got out of the tractor, and I'm gonna, so you guys can see it in action. There's some of the nice bales we got. Hay bales already. Isn't that nice? We'll just kind of watch it here. Such a beautiful day. Gosh, we were so hot for so long, and it's so pleasant to be out here today. Right now he's picking up the hay and taking it up into the baler, and it's just rolling it around into a bale. And before long here we'll have another bale. Usually been putting the bales over here, so. I want to show you how tight that hay bale is. Nice, and it smells really good right here. I'm heading home. Still got quite a bit to do down there, so lots to do. See you guys later.